This call is now being recorded.
Hi everyone. So today we continue with our lesson from 2 Mathematics TLP. Today we go to chapter 9, speed and acceleration. So we can read from the textbook here. All our daily activities involve movement and also speed. Speed change occurs when there is an activity that causes movement. Azaz ni awam, our national cyclist has an illustrious career with stunning display of speed. He won a gold medal in the Track Cycling World Championship in Hong Kong for men's carrying event. Okay, so as our introduction today, I want to show you a video, but before that, I need to stop this presenting. Okay, now I will present you the video. Okay, so I believe you can see this video already. Let me make it full screen. So I play. So we watch the video, basic of speed and the relationship with the distance and time.
Which travels faster, Usain Bolt or a Formula 1 car? In this video, we'll find out how to calculate speed using distance and time, which we'll then use to work out the answer to who's faster. Speed is a measure of the distance an object travels in a certain...
Cikgu, double sound.
Double sound, Okay.
Double.
Cikgu exit cikgu punya. Sekejap. Cikgu rasa kena off mikrofon dekat sini dulu kot. Okay, cikgu exit cikgu punya telefon sekejap. Kalau ada echo lagi, beritahu sebab cikgu off mikrofon ni
Time. Speed can be calculated using the formula speed equals distance traveled divided by time. So to work out which is faster, Usain Bolt or the F1 car, we need to know how far they both traveled and how long it takes them to cover that distance. Let's work out the speed of Usain Bolt first. In 2009, Usain Bolt set the world record for the 100-meter sprint in 9.58 seconds. The distance was 100 meters. The time taken was 9.58 seconds. Using the formula of speed equals distance divided by time, 100 meters divided by 9.58 seconds means his speed was 10.44 meters per second. We have the units for distance and time, meters and seconds, which we use to work out the units for the speed. Meters divided by seconds, which we say as meters per second. That's pretty impressive, even for the fastest man on earth. So how fast is an F1 car for us to compare him to? Pause the video and work it out. Did you get 375 kilometers per hour? So who's faster? From these speeds, we can't tell. What's the problem with comparing these two answers? Pause the video and have a think. To work out which is traveling faster, the units of speed must be the same. So let's convert the Formula 1 speed also into meters per second. Kilometers into meters multiplied by 1,000. And turn 1 hour into seconds by multiplying by 60 for minutes and then 60 again for seconds. So 375,000 meters divided by 3,600 seconds gives us 104.2 meters per second. Now we have our speeds in the same units, it's easy to see that the Formula 1 car is much faster. The formula can also be written in a formula triangle. Speed equals distance divided by time. Time equals distance divided by speed. And distance equals speed multiplied by time. Here are two questions for you to do. Pause the video and work them out. Did you get them right? A distance of 150 kilometers and a time of 1.66 hours, which is 1 hour 40 minutes. So now you can calculate speed, distance and time and understand a little bit about the units of speed. And of course have proved that a Formula 1 car is faster than even the fastest person on the planet.
Okay, so we just watch the video of the speed. Okay, let me share my screen back. Okay, I want to join again the Google Meet. Wait lah. Okay. Okay. Okay, so let's continue with our lesson. So we can see here, look on the image, we can see this one at the back of the lorry and also bus. We can see 80, 90 like this. This is speed, speed limit for this type of vehicle. Okay, so this is the formula of speed. Speed equal to distance over time. Okay, and we can simplify the formula like this. We can simplify as dsm, or actually m we can change to t. Here m in Malay actually masa, but if you want to write in English, we can change to t, dst, distance, speed, and time. Okay. So next, I want to show you about uniform and non-uniform speed. What is the difference between uniform and non-uniform speed? Uniform meaning seragam, sama. Non-uniform tak seragam, tak sama lah. Okay, so let's show this. Let's look on this one. So marble A, for the first second, move 2 centimeter. The distance move here is 2 cm. The next second is also 2 cm plus 2 cm. The third second plus another 2 cm. And then the fourth second also same. So all distance at equal. Equally 2 cm, 2 cm, 2 cm, 2 cm each second. Okay. When we draw the graph between time and the distance, we will get a straight line like this. This is a straight line. Meaning this is a uniform speed. This graph shows that this is a uniform speed, seragam. Okay. Here, second situation, marble B. For the first second, 2 cm, same like marble A. But for the for the second here, just add 1 cm only, not 2. And then for the third second, add another 2 cm. This one 2 plus 1 plus 2, but the last second here plus 3. So this is not uniform. This is not uniform. We draw the graph like this. But this graph is slightly wrong. Actually, all these points should be to the left a little bit. Meaning this one should be marked here on 2. This one on 2, 3. This one slightly move to the left. It should be to the left a little bit. Okay, but this is not a straight line compared to A, situation A, this one. Okay. Next, we go to average speed. Okay, average speed. The formula is total distance divided with total time. Actually, almost same formula. Speed, distance divide time. Almost same. Okay. So we will use all this formula and information to solve question on self practice 9.1. Okay, so let me show you self practice 9.1. Okay, let me copy this one. So question number 1, match the correct time for the given distance and speed. So we go to the first one. So consider that this is A, okay, and then this is B, and this is question C. we will start with question A first. Question A. The formula is actually a speed equal to distance divided with time. This is the original formula. Okay. So actually, we want time actually. We want time. 4 seconds here. This is 3 hours 24 minutes, and this is 45 minutes. All of this is time. So we want time actually, given the speed and also the distance. Okay. So we substitute all the value in the equation here. So speed. Before we substitute the value, the best thing is we check the unit first. We check the unit. So if we check the unit, this is kilometer and this is also kilometer. We make sure the distance for the unit or for the time should be equal. Like this one, km, meaning no problem lah. So we can use this value in the formula here. Okay, so speed 44.1. So I don't want to use, I don't want to write the unit in the formula. Okay, equal to distance. Distance given here is 150 divide with time. Time we don't know. Okay, so time we move to the left, it become like this. So equal to maybe here. I think the image here is too big. Let me make it smaller. Yeah. The image is too big, I think. Oh, cannot see. Yeah, no problem. Okay, maybe I write here. So this is A. Okay, this is A. I write here, A. Okay, so S equal to distance divided with time. And given the speed is 44.1 kilometer per hour, equal to distance given here is 150 kilometer divided with T, time. So T we move to the left, it become T like this. And then 150 divided with 44.1. This one, 44.1 and T, we change places. We change places, so we can find T. So T, this one equal to 150 divided with 44.1. We use the calculator. 150 divide with 44.1. Okay, and this is equal to, let me use my calculator here. 150 divided with 44.1. 3.4, and the unit here is hour. Why hour? From here. And from here. You can see. Let me use different color. From here, Okay, hour, because from the speed unit here is kilometer per hour. So time is in hour, 3.4. But unfortunately, the answer here, there is no 3.4. 3.40, there is no answer, 3.40. So we need to change to hour and minutes. How to change? So actually 0.4, if I can write here. So 3.4 is actually equal to 3 plus 0.4. So this one equal to 3 hour plus 0.4. We want to change to minute. So 0.4 is in hour. I want to change to minute, we times with 60. And we will get, let me try here, 0.4 times 60. It should be 24. So this one equal to 3 hour 24 minutes. The short form for minute is MIN. Do not write M. M is for meter. Okay. However, okay, no need to waste our time to do this one. No need, because our calculator can calculate for us. What you need to do, you just press this button. Oh, okay. So this is 3 hour 24 minutes and 4.9 seconds. So we want this answer only. So this is 3 hour and 24 minutes. Careful with this one. If this second is 30 or more. If this one, the answer at the back is 30 or more. 30 or more, you need to round off the number plus 1, become 25. Kalau nombor di belakang ni 30 dan lebih, 24 ni kena tambah 1 jadi 25. You need to round off. If less than 30, no problem. So this is the answer. Understand? Why you need to round off? Because still remember, 1 minute equal to 60 second. 1 minit 60 saat. So here if show 30 second, 30 saat atau lebih, more than 30 second, meaning is near to the next minute. So you need to round off plus 1 here. Understand? Okay, so here we can write the answer 3 hour and 24 minutes from the calculator. So we just write here 3 hour 24 minutes. Okay, and where is the answer? 3 hour and 24 minutes. This is the answer. Okay, next, let me erase this one. We go to question B. Pen, yeah, I use pen. If you have any question, you can ask me. You can chat or you can use your microphone to speak with me. No problem. Anytime you can interrupt me. No problem. Kalau ada soalan boleh tanya cikgu. Boleh type dekat ruang chat atau boleh cakap pakai mikrofon. No problem. Okay. Next, we go to question B. This is B. Okay. So S equal to D over T. Given the speed is 120. Don't forget to check the unit. This is km, this is km. Okay, so no problem. Distance, distance is 90. Divide with T, we don't know. Then we change places, T and 120. So T here equal to 90 over 120. And this one equal to, we use the calculator, 90 divide 120. The answer here is 3 over 4. 3 over 4. What is the unit for time? In this case, this one, hour. Okay, but there is no answer 3 over 4 hour. So we need to change to minutes. So 3 over 4 hour, 3 over 4 hour actually equal to 3 over 4 times 60, because 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. And we can get the answer. Or actually we can use the calculator, just press this button. You get the answer, actually 45 minutes. Easier. If you try calculator, you will get this one also 45. Same thing. Okay, so the answer here is this one. 45 minutes. Okay, next we go to question C. I want to erase this one first. Wait, eh? Okay, now. Okay. So question C. Speed is 1 to 5. So let me write here. Speed equal to D over time. So speed is 1 to 5 equal to distance is 500. Time don't know. So time equal to 500 divide with 1 to 5. So 500 divide 1 to 5. 500 divide 125 equal to 4. What is the unit? Check here. The unit is S, meaning second. So answer this one. This is the answer. Okay, so finish already question number 1. Next, we go to question number 2. Based on the following diagram, calculate the distance. Okay. Mana? Again. I copy this one first. Okay. And then I copy Okay. So based on the following diagram, calculate the distance traveled. Again, we start with the formula. The formula is S equal to distance over time. So okay, so S is speed, 80 kilometer per hour. Distance we don't know. Time, time is this one, 1/2, or we can write as 1.5, and that one is easier. 1/2 is equal to 1.5. Okay, and then 80 times 1.5 equal to D. So distance equal to, okay, use the calculator, 80 times with 1.5. Okay, the answer is 120. 120, and what is the unit? Unit we refer here. km is the unit for distance. So here the unit is 120 km, kilometer, km. Okay. Next, we go to question B. Okay, this one, the jet. Okay. Speed is 343 kilometer per minute. Time is 4.5 minutes. From this one, okay, this one means 343 kilometer per minute, meaning in 1 minute the jet can go 343 kilometer for the distance. 2 minutes we times 2, 3 minutes we times 3, and so on. For time equal to 4.5 minutes, what is the distance? You can find the answer. So same formula, S equal to D over T. Speed is 343. Distance we don't know. Time 4.5 minutes. Okay, so 343, sorry, times 4.5 equal to the distance, and the distance equal to, use the calculator, okay, 343 times 4.5. 1543.5. 1543.5. Okay, this is the answer for B. Next, we go to question C. I think maybe I use question D. I skip question C because I think that is easy. We go to question D. Question D. Okay, question D. Okay, so given question D, question C I didn't do, I skip question C. So question D is speed equal to 250 km per hour. Time given is 2 hours and 40 minutes. Okay, so we check the unit first. Okay, this one, the unit for speed is in hour. But this one, we have hours and we also have minutes. So we can put the value 2 hours and 40 minutes in the formula. We need to change first. We need to change minutes to hour. We need to change minutes to hour. Okay, so how to change? Okay. First, we write 2 hour, 40 minutes equal to 2 plus 40 divide 60. We can do like this. And we can get the answer here. 240 over 60. I use the calculator. 2 plus 40 over, wait, I use fraction, 40 over 60. Okay, but I don't want to. Okay, we can get answer in decimal 2.6667, but I don't want answer in decimal because we still in the process calculation. This is not the final answer. I want answer in like this. Okay, so 2 over 3. So 2 over 3. Okay, actually you also can do straightforward from your calculator. 2 hours and 40 minutes, how you want to do in your calculator. You can press like this. 2, you press once, meaning hour. And then 40, you press again, this is meaning minutes. You can click here. So this is 2 minutes and 40 seconds. If you click here, it will change to decimals. Okay, it will change to decimal. So if you want in fraction, you can click this one. Save 2 over 3. 2 hours and 40 minutes, and then you press equal. This is the function for hour and minutes. If you want only 40 minutes, you not type 40 minutes only. If you want to do 40 minutes only, you need to press 0 first. This one meaning 0 hour, and then you press 40, and then press this one. This one meaning 0 hour 40 minutes. Okay. If you have second, you can put second. No problem. Example, maybe you want to put 20 seconds. Can. Syntax error because I didn't press this button. Okay. So meaning this is 0 hour, 40 minutes, 20 seconds. If you click here, this one, 0 hour, 40 minutes, 20 seconds. Okay, this is the function. Hour, minute, and second. Later you can try your calculator to use this function. Okay. So however, we already get here 2 hours 40 minutes equal to 2 over 3. Okay. So use the formula. Okay. Actually, speed equal to distance over time. If you want distance, if you want only distance. Okay. We have learned just now. Maybe I erase this one. Okay, actually we have learned this one, S D T. Okay, so if you want distance, we want distance, meaning we should write as T, like this. So distance equal to speed times with time. Okay? Speed is 250 times with time. Time is 2 over 3. Okay, so we check the answer. 250, and then times with I use this one. Okay, 2 over 3 equal. Okay, the answer is 666.67. Correct to 2 decimal places. The unit here is distance. Distance, the unit is km. From this one, kilometer. Okay, let's check what happen if you write like this. This one, we calculate again. We try this one. Okay, 2 hour 40 minutes. 40 MIN actually. This is wrong. Not MIN. Okay, so equal to 2 plus 40 over 60. Okay, assume that you use calculator like this. So 2 plus 40 divide 60. Okay, so assume that you run off the number earlier in the calculation, 2.67. We see what happened. 2.67. This one I use 2 over 3, fraction. But this one I use 2.67. I run off the number to 2 decimal places. Okay. This one, the unit is hour. This one also same, hour. Okay. So now, same formula, distance equal to ST. S is 250 times 2.67. Okay. My answer just now is 2 over 3, but this now I change to decimal, 2.67. Okay, let's check what is the answer using the calculator. Okay, 250 times 2.67. And we will get 667.5. 667.5 kilometer. If you check this one and this one, different, different. Slightly 1 kilometer different. The difference is 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer is long, 1 kilometer is very long. Okay, so this is what happened. If you run off a number, not in your last calculation, you run off the number in between your calculation. So that's why I say in class, do not round off your number to decimals in the early or in the middle process of your calculation. Only round off the number for your final answer only. Always round off number for the final answer only. In between, in the middle of the process of your calculation, do not round off the number. And the correct answer is actually this one, 666.67, not 667.5. This is wrong actually. Okay, the difference is 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer is big. Next, we go to question number 3. Okay, number 3. Okay. Malaysia's Paralympic or KU athlete Muhammad Rizal Muhammad Pusi clocked the fastest time of 12.07 seconds in the 100 meter event at the 2016 Paralympic Games in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, and he got gold medal. Okay, calculate the speed in the meter per second. Okay. So the formula, let me start with the formula. Speed equal to distance over time. Okay. What is the speed here? Okay, speed. Maybe I write the information first. Okay. So what we have here? We have 12.07 seconds. So that is time. We have time 12.07 second. Okay, lah. Okay. And then 100 meter event. That one is distance 100 meter. Okay. Question asks you speed. So speed equal to distance over time. Distance is 100 meter. Time is 12.07 second. Okay, what is the answer? 100 divided with 12.07. Okay, in decimal, 8.29. Okay. 8.29, correct to 2 decimal places. And what is the unit? The unit, this one, and this one, this is the unit. Okay, so the unit is meter per second. Do not write the wrong unit, meter per second. So this is the answer for question number 3. Number 3 very easy. Next, question number 4. Number 4. The distance from Tanjung Malim to Muar is 272. Okay, we write the information first. The distance, we have distance 272 kilometer. Okay. A bus depart from Tanjung Malim at 0830. Okay, this one, 0830. That is the time. The average speed we write as S also, of the bus is 80 kilometer per hour. Okay. At what time will the bus arrive in Muar? State your answer in the 24-hour system. Okay, 24-hour system. Okay, so we have distance, we have speed, we don't have time. And the formula here, speed equal to distance divided with time. So actually, if you want time, time equal to distance over speed. We change places these two. Okay. So time equal to distance, we have 272. Speed, we have 80. Okay. What is the answer? 272 divide 80. 272 divide 80. 17 over 5 or 3.4. 3.4. What is the unit? The unit is this one. Hour, Okay. The unit is hour. Okay. So we have time of the journey, 3.4 hour. But this is not the final answer. What the question wants? The question, at what time will the bus arrive in Muar? So actually the question asks you is the arrival time. Arrival time of the bus. Okay, so the time the bus depart from Tanjung Malim is this one, 0830. So we write here 0830 plus 3.4 hour. Maybe I write here, not enough space. Okay. Okay. So I write here. Okay. Departs at 0830. Dia bertolak daripada Tanjung Malim, from Tanjung Malim. Plus 3.4 hour. But this one difficult to calculate. So actually we need to change first hour to minute. Okay, so I think I erase this one first. Okay. So continue, right? We get ready. Time equal to 3.4 hour. So we need to change to hour and minute. So actually this is equal to 3 hour plus 0.4 times 60, because 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So this is 3 hour plus 4 times 6 is 24. So this is 24 minutes. Okay, we can check here. Can check here. I check the calculator. So this is 3.4. 3.4. So I click here. Yeah, this is meaning 3 hour and 24 minutes. We can check using the calculator here. 3 hour 24 minutes. Okay, so this is the time. And actually, no need to use plus. No need to write plus. So we just write 3 hour 24 minutes. Okay, so now we want to find arrival time. Okay, let me use green. Okay, arrival time. Okay, so depart at 0830 from this one. Okay, plus with the time of the journey, 3 hour 24 minutes. Okay, so this one is not too difficult to add. So 30 plus with 24, 30 plus with 24, the one is 54. Okay, so 54 is less than 60. So less than 60 is okay, nothing to worry. But if more than 60, so you need, remember, because 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. So you need to plus 1 to the hour. If more than 60, but in this case, no. In this case, less than 60, so no problem. So 30 plus 24 is 54. 08 plus 3, this is 11. So this is the answer, 1154. Arrival time is 1154. This is the answer in 24-hour system. This is the answer. But you need to be careful. If the answer, this one, more than 60 or more, so you need to add 1 to the hour. And the answer for this part cannot be more than 60. Cannot be more than 59 actually. Start from 00 until 59 only. Okay. Now we go to question number 5. We only have 7 questions only. So now we go to question number 5. Okay, now we want to convert the unit. Okay, we start with question A. So A, 50 kilometer per hour. This one, 50 kilometer per hour. To convert the unit, we need to write like this: 50 kilometer, and then per hour. We do like this, like fraction. We write the unit hour here. Okay, but what number we should write here? We should write something. We should write the number. Actually, we should write number 1. Because 50 divided 1 equal to 50. Doesn't change. 50 divided 1 equal to 50. So we just write 1. So meaning this one, meaning 50 kilometer per 1 hour. Meaning in 1 hour, it can go to 50 kilometer of the distance. In 1 hour, 50 kilometer. Okay, so now we want to convert to meter per minute. Before that, you need to know that 1 km equal to 1000 meter. Okay, so km to meter, this one, you just times 1000. Times 1000. Okay, from km to meter. And then for hour to minute, the one easy, I think you know. Okay, so we continue here. 50 kilometer, we want to change to meter. So 50 kilometer This one we time with 1,000 because 1 kilometer equal to 1,000 meter, and divide with 1 hour. We time with 60 because 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. But remember, if you want to find the answer in your calculator, make sure you put bracket here. If you don't put bracket, most likely you will get different answer. Maybe you got different answer. Depends on your calculator. Okay. But the best way is you put bracket. Okay. So now we want to find the answer. Okay, let me open the calculator. So I use this one. If you use this calculator, no need a bracket actually. If you use this one, but I want to show you, I put a bracket also. Okay, so 50 times 1,000. Okay, and then down here, okay, I put a bracket also. So 1 times 60. Okay, so in this case, we want to convert. Better you do like this in one shot. No need to find 50 times 1,000 and then 1 times 60. Can also, like this one can lah. Okay, but I prefer to do like this. So we just find the answer directly, and we get 83.33. So we write the answer here, 833.33. And the unit here is meter per minute. Don't forget to write the unit. When we convert something, we need to write a unit. Okay. Next, we go to question B. Okay, 0.8 meter over second. So this one we write 1. Okay. So you want to convert to kilometer per hour. Okay, so in this one, I think I erase this one. Okay, so meter to kilometer. Meter to kilometer. Okay, so if from km to meter, this one, we times with 1,000. But if vice versa, meter to km, this one we divide 1,000. Okay. How about this one? Easy, right? This one easy. Okay. So I write this one first. 0.8. So we want to convert from meter to km. Meter to km. So we should divide 1,000. Oh, not very nice. 0, 0, 0. Okay. Divide, because we want to convert from meter to kilometer. Okay. How about time? Let me erase this one first. Okay. Time. From hour to minute to second. Okay, so from hour to minute and then minute to second. This one is times 60 and times 60. Or if from hour to second directly, the one we times with 60 times 60, 3600. Let me show you. 60 times 60, 3600, Okay. Vice versa. Second, oh, the one in yellow, green. Okay. From second to minute, we need to divide 60. Minute to hour, again divide 60. But from second to hour, the one we divide with 3600. Backward from this one. Vice versa, terbalik. Divide 3600. Okay. So 1 second we want to convert to hour. We want to convert to hour, this one. Okay. So 1 divide with 3600. Okay. In this question, this type of question, better you put all the numbers in the calculator to find the answer, right? So I want to put bracket here. The bracket is not compulsory except for your calculator, right? Okay. So calculator. Use fraction here. So bracket 0. Oh, sorry, I forgot point. Point, I got point here, right? Okay, 0.8 times. Oh no, sorry. Divide 1000. Okay, and then down here is 1 divide 3600. Okay, and the answer is 2.88. What the unit? The unit is km per hour. And this is the answer for question B. Okay. Next, we go to question C. So maybe we erase this one only lah. Okay, question C. 110 kilometer per hour. So we write as 110 km per hour, and then we write 1 here. So 110 km change to km. So meaning the one doesn't change at all. So we just write 110. Km to km, nothing change. Okay. Next, hour, we want to change to minute. Hour change to minute. Okay, they want times 60. So 1 times 60. Okay, so 1 times 60 is 60. So I can write 110 divide with 60. So 110 divide with 60. 110 divide 60. Okay, 1.83. The unit is kilometer per minute. From this one. Kilometer per minute. Okay, so finish question number 5. We still have another 2 questions. Okay, let me erase everything first. Okay, we have question number 6 and number 7. However, I want to go to question number 7 first, because question number 6 is wrong. Okay, so let me go to, oh sorry, I should, this one, okay, sorry. Okay, so a leopard can reach a speed of 25.9. So let me write this one, speed 25.9. The unit is meter per second. Okay, especially when chasing is prey. So state the speed, we want to change to kilometer per hour. Okay, I think this is not difficult. Okay, so we write this one, 25.9 meter over second, and then here we write 1. So want to change to kilometer per hour. Let me erase this one. Okay. So meter to kilometer. So 25.9. Okay, again, let me write here. Kilometer to meter. This one we times 1000. Because 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. But for vice versa, divide 1000. Okay, so this one we want to change from meter to kilometer, so we divide. Okay, divide 1000. Okay, divide with 1 second. 1 second, Okay, so if you still remember, okay, so let me write here hour, minute, second. Okay. From hour to second, this one we times with 3600. But from second to hour, we divide with 3600. I hope you still remember. Okay, so this one second to hour, we divide 3600. And I want to put a bracket. Okay, now we find the answer. Okay, open the calculator. So use fraction here. One bracket 20. Actually, this type of calculator no need to put bracket lah, but I just put lah. Maybe you use different calculator. Okay, so maybe I use a different calculator. I have a different calculator. Let me open another one. This one. Okay, let me try this one. Okay. I try this one. Okay. So this one I use bracket 25.9. Oh, not very clear, but it's okay. Divide with 1000. Okay, and then fraction. Bracket again. 1 divide 3600. Close bracket. Equal. Okay, we get 93.24. 93.24. And the unit is km per hour. Okay, from the question, kilometer per hour. Okay, so this is answer question 7. And then last question number 6. Question number 6 is difficult, right? Okay. Okay, number 6 plus. Okay, so for this type of question, we need to draw a timeline. I want to draw a timeline. So let me draw here, but maybe we don't have enough space later. How Okay. Sekian, I draw. Okay, can lah. Okay, from here, Okay, so Umar draw his taxi from Ipoh. So this is Ipoh, Ipoh. Okay, to Kuala Lumpur, I put this one as KL. Okay, via the highway. He stopped at Tapah, so in between he stopped at Tapah. To pick up some goods before proceeding to Kuala Lumpur. Okay, he drove from Ipoh to Tapah at an average speed. So we put as S1, from Ipoh to Tapah S1. Okay, equal to maybe a little bit down here. Okay, the speed from Ipoh to Tapah 100. Kilometer per hour. Okay, that is the speed. Over a distance, distance I put as D1. Okay, the teacher, can I know what is goods? Goods tu maksudnya barang, barangan. Okay, distance is 60. Okay, but we don't have time. Time we don't know lah, right? Time we don't know. Okay. Okay, next. What else? If the average speed of his taxi from Ipoh to Kuala Lumpur. So I am from Ipoh to Kuala Lumpur. Total. Okay. If the average speed of his taxi from Ipoh to Kuala Lumpur is 110 kilometer. If the average, okay, so meaning that one is speed. That one I put at S3. S3 equal to 110. Okay, over a distance, we have distance, I put as D3, 220 kilometer. But time, we don't have. I put as time 3. Okay, calculate the average speed of Umar's taxi from Tapah to KL. Okay, the problem now, we don't have speed from Tapah to KL. We don't have distance from Tapah to KL. And we don't have time from Tapah to KL. All those three, we don't have the information. Okay, but can we find the answer? Okay, we start with this one first. Ipoh to Tapah. From Ipoh to Tapah, we try to find time. Okay, how to find time? If we still remember this one. This is S, this is T, this is T. To find time, speed is okay. To find time, distance divide with speed. Distance divide with speed. Okay, correct. So distance divide with speed. Okay, let me respect this. Maybe I write here. Okay, so we want to find time. Time 1, based on the formula, distance divide with S. Okay. Okay, so now continue. D is the distance from Ipoh to Tapah, 60. Divide with S is 100. Okay. And this one will get 0.6 hour. 0.6 hour. Okay, so we get already time 1, 0.6. We can write here. 0.6 hour. Okay. Next, maybe we find T3. T3, time 3. Time 3 is from Ipoh to KL, total. Okay, so the formula is distance over speed. Distance is 220. From this one, from this one, 220, Okay. Divide with 110. And this one we divide, we get 2. And this is 2 hour. 2 hour. Okay, now can we find T2? Actually can. We can find T2. How to find T2? T2. Okay, total hour Ipoh to KL is 2 hour. Ipoh to Tapah 0.6. So meaning to get Tapah to KL, the time is total time 2 hour minus with Ipoh to Tapah 0.6 hour. And time 2 is 1.4 hour. So we know here is 1.4 hour. Okay. What else we have? Distance. I think we can find distance also. Distance from Tapah to KL. Okay. So total distance is 220. Minus the distance Ipoh to Tapah is 60. So 220 minus 60, that one should be 160 kilometer. Okay, now, 160. Okay, now we have the distance, we have the time from Tapah to KL. Can we find speed? Of course can. So therefore speed from Tapah to KL. Speed, the formula is D over T. Distance over time. So distance is 100. Maybe I use different color. I want to use purple. Okay. So speed equal to distance. Distance is 160 over time is 1.4. And then we use calculator to get the answer. 100, why? On first. Okay. 160 divide with 1.4. 114.29. 114.29. This is speed. The formula, the unit is km per hour. Okay, so this is the answer for question number 6. I really hope that you understand this one. Okay, so last, I want to give you exercise in the Google Classroom. Only 5 questions, easy actually, not too difficult. Okay, so I'm going to assign to A5 to B3. This one easy, not too difficult. Not too difficult. Very easy actually. Okay, try first. So I will assign to all of you now. So I give you 1 week to complete this Google form, this exercise. 5 questions only, 1 week, I think you can do. So if there is no more question, you can leave the Google Meet lah. Okay, bye-bye. Kalau ada soalan boleh tanya.
Tak ada.
Tak ada, bye-bye.
Bye-bye, cikgu.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Terima kasih, Cikgu.
Sama-sama.